Hi there. In this video I will show you how to create a single view. A single view is essentially a collection of data from various screens, consolidated onto a single web page. So from the main menu within this application I'm going to record a workflow, and this is the button to record a workflow. And then we're now in record mode, so all the keystrokes that you're now taking are now being recorded. The buttons up here allow you to define input variables, output variables. I'm going to define an output list. I'm selecting the columns, and then with a list I want to specify the maximum number of rows, specify the page key, which on this system is a page down. You can specify the stop condition, which I'm going to use end marker, and then I'll select the host field, which is the more and bottom field. And then we know we're at the bottom because it contains bottom. From this screen I will now navigate to my next screen. Don't forget we're still recording. I'm also going to collect this list. Same process again. And then to finish off, I'm going to return back to the main menu. And then I will stop the recording. And here is the recording. As you can see, it's recorded all my steps. You can also start recording at any point in time, and you can also insert lines if you need to. To show this on the web page, I'm going to select the web page, and there's an object that's being created. So if we look down here in workflows, we've got an object called Get My Data, and there's one previously called Get Data. Just drag that onto the web page. It needs an OAS object because obviously it needs to invoke the service, so just press finish on that. And there you go. There are the two lists. I'm now going to perform a live test. As part of the live test I will now log on. You can see the two empty lists, and then I can press the invoke button, and if you watch the emulator on the left hand side you will see the data is being collected. And there you can see the data being presented. So very quick, no coding required, and we can add to this process by recording more steps if we need to collect data from multiple screens. And don't forget you can also create input variables and then pass those variables back into the various programs that you'd like to do that. So that concludes the presentation. Thank you very much.